What's up guys? It's your girl Anshu and today I'm going to show you how to sketch a beautiful blue bandhani kurti with a front slit. This is the perfect outfit for any occasion and it's super easy to create. First things first, let's start with the skin and hair rendering. To make them look more realistic, I will use a light pencil to draw the facial features, hairline, and hair strands. Then, use a darker pencil to add shadows and highlights to give depth and dimension to the face. Don't forget to add some texture to the hair to make it look more realistic. Once you're done with the skin and hair rendering, it's time to color the kurti and pants. For this design, we are going with a beautiful shade of blue for the kurti and a darker shade for the pants. Here I'm using acrylic colors. You can also use colored pencils or markers to fill in the colors. You can also add some shading to the kurti to make it look more three-dimensional. Finally, let's add a colorful bandhani pattern to the kurti. Bandhani is a traditional Indian tie-dye technique that creates beautiful patterns. Use different colored markers or pencils to create small dots all over the kurti. You can also experiment with different designs like stripes or swirls. And there you have it. A beautiful blue bandhani kurti with a front slit. I hope you enjoyed watching me sketch this design and got some inspiration for your own fashion sketches. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content like this, and also tag me in your creations on Instagram. Thanks for watching.